Hello. So the question here is the potential energy curve for S2 molecule as a function of internuclear distance. So there are four graphs given giving relation between energy and internuclear distance. So for an S2 molecule, normally when the atoms are separated by a huge amount, like infinity, we take this energy to be zero. So where are like bringing the atoms closer to one another has an attractive potential, and the bond has formed on reaching the lowest point on the curve. So here we can see lowest points, this, this, this. It is the maximum distance, like the infinity. The two atoms are far apart infinity. Moving the atom closer together, like if we move the atoms closer together, increases the potential energy because we push the electrons closer to one another, and this energy increases rapidly with each small decrease in separation due to repulsion of similar charges. The slope of the curves gives the forces of the atom. So here we can find this curve fits mostly by the given definition, because when the atoms are very near, the potential energy between the atoms is the highest, and as we separate them, the potential energy starts decreasing, and at some point the the, the two atoms don't give any effect to each of them, and hence the overall energy increases because now the atoms are free. At last separation, the slope is positive. There is small attractive force. So here a small attractive force can be seen. Thank you.